Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be sorting out the interior fabric in my B3 Passat and it will show you how to do it on any cloth interior really. We got stains and stuff on the old fabric cloth. The seats aren't too bad, but there was a few stains on them, like the grubbiness here, like this here, if you can see it, that there. It's just grubbiness on certain areas, up the sides here, on the door cards on the edge, like along, that was my finger, along there and stuff. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be trying to sort out this fabric. So this is what you're going to need: some kind of carpet or upholstery cleaner, a stiff brush, and a shop vacuum cleaner. I'm using a Henry. Okay, the trick is basically you want to spray on as much of this as you can, some kind of fabric cleaner, or even a spray with washing up liquid, and it would do with water. Then what you want to do is use the brush to agitate as much of it as you can, get into all the corners, all the nooks and crannies, agitate all the dirt out of the fabric, and then we'll use a shop vac to suck up all the water and all the dirt out of the door. So here we go. If you can see, the sun's not helping me today, but let's get it from this angle. It's starting to look a lot nicer already. A lot of the it's a bit wet at the minute, so there's patchy lines and stuff in it, but it's looking a lot nicer already. A lot of the dirt's got out of the fabric. Let's pay our attention to the seats. Let's I'm gonna have a go at this bolster quickly. Okay, that is that bolster done. You may look like there's a bit of dirt there, but once that dries we'll see it better. Look, you can see the difference here though. Look at that and that. So I'm going to keep scrubbing. I'm going to have a go at this seat. I'll come back to you in a second once this is done. Okay, that's the bottom one. As you can see, it's still a bit wet, but can you see a difference in colour? The scrub that I've done, this one's still starting to dry up a bit now, but see a difference in colour already? Look at that. Needs to dry out a bit, and it should dry out like that one. But well, I've not done that side yet, but look at the difference. So I'm going to get on with scrubbing the back now. Another magic trick for you. There we go, the top half is done. It needs to dry out. I've got all this grimy bit up here to do yet, all that up there, so I'm going to get on with that bit. Okay, that is one seat done. Looks a bit patchy at the minute. We'll come back to it when it's all dried out. As you can see, it's got the patchy hoover marks in it at the minute. Look, when it's all dried out, we'll come back and have a look. Door card's still a bit patchy as well. So yeah, that is what you do. Still got another seat to go yet, and I've got the backs to do yet, but I'm not going to bore you with that, I don't think. Or maybe I will. Okay, on to the next door. Foam up the brush. Get some foam in there, give it a good scrub in. Trying to break up all the dirt that's in the door. Loosen it so when I use the hoover on it, it sucks it out. Straight away with the hoover. Okay, that is the other side done. That's this front seat done. As you can see, it's patchy at the minute, but it will dry out. I did just try and make this video here to show you how the seats turned out, but when I went out there it was dark. I've got a torch and they're still a bit patchy and damp, so I'll have to show you in a different video. You get the idea. It's bloody windy out here. Let me try and talk in here. It's windy out here. Right, there we go. A few updates on the channel as well. On the Passat, I have already replaced the electric window. No, not electric window. What am I talking about? The wiper motor. Already replaced that. That was 3 bolts. People were telling me you had to take the whole mechanism out. I managed to do it without doing that, so that's replaced. What else is there? The tracking was out so bad that it was making a whirring noise that I thought was a wheel bearing, and in actual fact my wheels were so far out, pointing outwards after I replaced the gearbox, that it nearly wore the tyres out in 2 weeks. So I sorted the tracking out by using a piece of string. You can see a video where I show you how to do your wheel alignment with a piece of string if you look back through my videos. Other than that, yeah, it's really hard. I've still not done the workshop. I've still got to do that. It's quite hard to make content right now because I haven't got a workshop to do it in. The weather's crap outside. I thought I'd make a video today about me cleaning my seats, just so I got something on the channel, because it's been 2 weeks since I posted. So anyway, things are still good with me. Things are still happening. Just it's a bit hard to make content right now. So bear with me, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be loads coming up in the summer, definitely. But right now, I'll do bits that I can do. See you in the next one.